Ye chaiva satvika bhava rajasas tamasaschaye. This is the other thing. 3 modes. 5 causes of action we have seen. Now there are 3 modes. And everything is to be classified in these 3 modes in this world. People have different movements, right? They say, oh, far right, far left, or left or right, or whatever. Liberalists, conservationists, conservatives. Then there are many movements in this world, according to their convictions. Some people are vegetarian, some people are, vegan, some people are animal right activists, human right activists. There are so many movements in this world. But these classifications are not proper classifications. There is actually a classification by the modes of material nature. This is the real way of classifying everything. Like, for example, food. The Western kind of movements are like, vegan or, meat or vegetarian, or sometimes they have keto, whatever, so many names nowadays, so many kinds of diets. But ours is different. Food is classified by Krishna, by God, in 3 ways. Food in the mode of goodness, sattvic ahar, rajasic ahar, tamasic ahar. Food in the mode of goodness, passion and ignorance. So, ayur sattva balarogya sukha priti vivardhanah rasyaha snigdha sthira hridya ahara sattvika priyaha. So, foods dear to those in the mode of goodness increase the duration of life, purify one's existence, and give strength, health, happiness, and satisfaction. Such foods are juicy, fatty, wholesome, and pleasing to the heart. Fatty means ghee. Talking about especially ghee, which is actually sattvic. Anyway, like that, there are rajasic and tamasic food. Now, not only food, everything in this world is within these 3 modes. Whether it's a person's consciousness, psychophysical condition, because of which he is actually classified as either Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya or Shudra. And that is not for discrimination, that is for a very organized, for a very scientific organization of human society with a common aim to serve the Supreme Lord. The GDP, or the gross domestic product, is not the aim of civilization. A person nowadays is classified as first class or a third class fellow by money. Literally, when you go overseas on a plane and when you're checking in your bags, you have this first class lane, the business class lane, and the economy class lane. They don't want to call it second and third class because that sounds bad. So a bit of euphemism. Let it call business class. Still sounds good. Economy class. You are economical. But actually you are a third class customer for us. You get nothing. Water also you have to pay. Basically, we will not serve you otherwise. So, these things are going on. First class, literally they write there first class, and the ticket is some $21,000. Whereas the economy class is like $400 or $500. If you have money, you are first class. Royal treatment. You have no money, you are a beggar, useless fellow. Character is not the index anymore. Kali Yuga. So anyway, people are in these 3 modes. In Kali Yuga, because people don't know this classification, they only know classification by money. A person is called first class if he has money. A country is called first class if it has money. Nothing else matters. So, these are the 3 modes. Now, what Krishna is saying, that ye chaiva sattvika bhava rajasas tamasaschaye matta eveti tan vidhi natvaham deshu te mai. Know that all states of being, be they of goodness, passion or ignorance, are manifested by my energy. So all these gunas, these qualities, these modes. Like worship. Worship is also in the three modes. Worshipping the devatas is in the sattvic. Forefathers, rajasic. And ghosts and spirits and hobgoblins in this tamasic. And transcendental to even sattvic is Shuddha Sattvic, and that is Vishnu worship. Sattvam Vishuddham Vasudeva Shabditam. So these are the three modes, and transcendental, but even goodness is still in the material world.